What's up, KC? I don't know if y'all can see me. I'm about to test out this drone. This is a good day. The one that follows me autonomously. I got it sitting on the top of my vehicle. Wait a minute. Let's see. Okay, let's do this.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Shit. I had to take it off autonomously. Alright, let's see what this bitch will do. It's bright out here, so my phone. Let me get a picture. See, this is in the. This is the one that I do with the remote.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Shit, I can't see this shit. It's a little. Let's see what it can do, y'all. I'll get some pics. I'm just testing it out. It's loud as fuck, boy. It's not really practical to fly this way. It's casting a big shadow, too. Let's bring it on up. Let's do a quick fit check if y'all can hear me. I like this one. It's following me. That's the one I control with my hand. But I got on same thing I had on. Got on my Air Jordan 4s, undefeated. Got on the Levi's with the camouflage patch. Apple Watch Ultra 2, the orange band, and the polo shirt. Yeah, so this is just a test, man. Everybody be careful. And it just flies funny. But it's cool. Let me see. Let's get up. Follows me autonomously. I can't really see good in this bitch because it's bright out here. Casey Crown, look, I can do a video. Hey, Meta, take a video. Casey Crown fighting sexiness. I'm flying this drone with this tricked out. This drone with my phone. Tricked out control. This is the one that usually follows me by itself. But I'm just see this little module on the back right here that allows it to fly further. Because it'll do all the autonomous stuff, but I got the little module, and I thank the people who supported the crusade. This thing flies funny. All right, KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. I'm out. Peace. Hey, Meta, take a video. Yeah, with the controller. I'm out. Yeah. Hey, Meta, take a picture. Yeah. So that's what's up, y'all. KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. This thing flies crazy. All right, I'm out. I'm out, y'all. KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. I'm out. Peace.